Spoken and competitive English. Students, this is the 39th video of my channel, and in today's video we are going to learn past simple or past indefinite WH interrogatives. So students, in previous video already we have learned 1 to 14 WH interrogatives, and today we are going to learn 15 to 28 WH interrogatives. So students, let us start our lesson. Past simple or past indefinite WH interrogative. So first we see it's a helping verb and main verb form. The helping verb is as it is, so already we have seen that is did. And main verb we have to use V1. Now we arrange this pattern. Our sentence will start with WH word plus helping verb did plus subject plus V1 plus object plus other words question mark. So students, already I have told you the Hindi identification, so we continue our examples. So please see example number 1. So we will continue from 15 onwards because 1 to 14 examples already we have seen in previous videos. So example number 15. Suppose we say in Hindi, आज आप कौन सी अखबार पढ़े? आज आप कौन सी अखबार पढ़े? So which newspaper did you read today? Which newspaper did you read today? आज आप कौन सी अखबार पढ़े? Which newspaper did you read today? Now this is the next example. Example number 16. किस कक्षा में लड़का अनुत्तीर्ण हुआ या किस कक्षा में लड़का फेल हुआ? Our sentence should be here. In which class did the boy fail? In which class did the boy fail? किस कक्षा में लड़का अनुत्तीर्ण हुआ या फेल हुआ? In which class did the boy fail? Now this is example number 17. किसकी स्कूटी चोर चुरा लिया या किसकी स्कूटी चोर चुराया? So our translation will be here. Whose scooty did the thief steal? किसकी स्कूटी चोर चुरा लिया या चुराया? Whose scooty did the thief steal? Now this is the next example, example number 18. किसके खाते में आप पैसा स्थानांतरण किए या किसके खाते में आप पैसा हस्तांतरित किए? तो हमारा वाक्य होगा in whose account did you transfer money? किसके खाते में आप पैसा स्थानांतरण किए या हस्तांतरित किए? Our sentence should be in whose account did you transfer money? Now this is example number 19. कितना दूर लंगड़ा व्यक्ति चला? कितना दूर लंगड़ा व्यक्ति चला? Our sentence should be how far did the lame man or lame person walk? कितना दूर लंगड़ा व्यक्ति चला? How far did the lame person walk? Now this is example number 20. कितना दूर वे तीर्थ स्थल गए? कितना दूर वे तीर्थ स्थल गए? Our sentence should be how how far did they go to pilgrimage? कितना दूर वे तीर्थ स्थल गए? How far did they go to pilgrimage? So related to far already we have seen here two examples. Now we proceed and come to the example number 21. कितना देर वे इंतजार किए? Our sentence should be कितना देर वे इंतजार किए? How long did they wait? कितना देर वे इंतजार किए? How long did they wait? Now we see the example number 22. कितने देर तक तुम धैर्य रखे? कितने देर तक तुम धैर्य रखे, सब्र रखे? Our sentence should be here. How long time did you keep patience? कितने देर तक तुम धैर्य रखे, सब्र रखे? How long time did you keep patience? Now we see the example number 23. कब तक विद्यार्थी परीक्षा फॉर्म भरे? कब तक विद्यार्थी परीक्षा फॉर्म भरे? Our sentence should be until when did the students fill the examination or exam forms? कब तक विद्यार्थी परीक्षा फॉर्म भरे? Our sentence is until when did the students fill the examination or exam forms? Now we see the example number 24. कैसे तुम खतरे से बच गए? कैसे तुम खतरे से बचे? How did you escape from the danger? How did you escape from the danger? कैसे तुम खतरे से बचे या बच गए? How did you escape from the danger? Now we see the example number 25. कितना पानी वह सार्वजनिक नल से भरी? कितना पानी वह सार्वजनिक नल से भरी? Our sentence is how much water did she fill from the public water tap? कितना पानी वह सार्वजनिक नल से भरी? हमारा वाक्य है how much water did she fill from the public water tap? Now we see the example number 26. कितने चपाती तुम्हारी मां सेकी? कितने चपाती तुम्हारी मां सेकी? Our sentence is how many chapatis did your mother bake? कितने चपाती तुम्हारी मां सेकी? हमारा वाक्य है how many chapatis did your mother bake? Now we see the example number 27. कितने बार तुम मुझसे प्रश्न पूछे? कितने बार तुम मुझसे प्रश्न पूछे? How many times did you ask me questions? कितने बार तुम मुझसे प्रश्न पूछे? how many times did you ask me questions? Now we see the example number 28. कितने महीने में वे नए मकान का निर्माण किए? कितने महीने में वे नए मकान का निर्माण किए? In how many months did they build or construct the new house? कितने महीने में वे नए मकान का निर्माण किए? In how many months did they build or did they construct the new house? Students, as I have told you, there will be 28 examples, but I have used that means how far twice. So one more sentence will increase here. So one more sentence I am writing here. So example number 29. कितने साल की सेवा के बाद वह सेवानिवृत्त हुआ? कितने साल की सेवा के बाद वह सेवानिवृत्त हुआ? Our sentence should be after how many years of service? After how many years of service did he retire? कितने साल की सेवा के बाद वह सेवानिवृत्त हुआ? Our sentence is after how many years of service did he retire? So students, for today we wind up our class here. Thank you very much for watching and listening me attentively. See you again in next video. Till then, goodbye to everyone. Take care of you.